That was the first time I got locked inside a room for long. Locked down. Holy shit. Sitting inside a room without freedom made me mad. What the My mind desired freedom. But today, a person came to me and spoke a lot of things about herself. Actually, about her life. That was a story of 32 years lockdown. She's a graduate. She had a dream to become a music teacher. She dreamed to fly high like a bird. But faith was against her. She got locked inside 4 walls named responsibilities. Still, she is working for the family by sacrificing her dreams and likes. I decide one thing. I am going to give her the wings to fly. Fly high. Now it's my responsibility as a son